Hi there, everybody. This is Mr. Collar. This is the language arts lesson for Thursday, October 8th and Friday, October 9th. Here's what we're going to do today. After our welcoming Padlet, we're going to spend some time just shopping for books. Yesterday, we went over the expectations for Asynchronous Mondays. Part of the expectation is that you have a reading book and that you're keeping track of what you're reading on your calendar. And then you're writing stop and jots based on your reading book. So I'm gonna part of your class today is just gonna be shopping for books and then filling out a form. And then the last thing we're gonna do today is a writing prompt, and I'll give you an option of 5 different prompts. You do some writing in your notebook, then you take a picture and send it to me on Canvas. So, in Canvas, here's what everything looks like. Back up a second. So if I'm in Language Arts, Student View, I go to our modules. Here are our slides for today. It says Thursday 10/8, Friday 10/9. We'll be using a document that says ebooks and form links, and then your assignment is a journal entry, and that's for today's date. It's due next Tuesday. So the first thing I'd like you to do is open this document that says ebooks and form links. It's going to send you to a 1-page slide like this, and then this is just something that that we're going to do in class. Step 1 is look at these first 2 links right here, 1 and 2. Those are just 2 different slideshows full of books, and your whole job is just to look at the different books and find 3 that you think you might like to read. The first 10 slides show you the covers, and then the slides after that are descriptions. And that's the first document. That's the one that says ebooks. That's an app on your iPad, and we'll be digging into that soon. The second thing is a slide called Books from Mrs. Frainer. This is another slideshow, and this is basically the same thing. It has previews of different books, but this one goes into more detail. This one will show you reviews and usually the first page of it. So that's step 1. Use links 1 and 2 to shop for books that interest you. Now, step 3 says use the form to tell your teacher which books interest you. Try to fill out the form for at least 3 books. So if you click at this link right here, it'll take you to this form that lets me know which books are interesting you. So it's going to ask you for your name, the title of the book, and then you click on whatever made that book attractive to you or whatever drew that book to you. So if it's the title or the cover or whatever, you click on all these that apply and then hit submit. So you want to do that 3 times, once for 3 different books. That'll be the first thing we're going to do in class today. The second thing is going to be on this slideshow on page 11. And on slide 11, there are 5 different writing prompts. Your job is to pick one of them, and then either on this document or your writer's notebook, write a short paragraph, meaning 5 to 7 sentences, that responds to one question fully. So, again, there are 5 options. You pick one. The first one is think of a person who matters to you. List small moments with that person and write them. The second one says, what books do I wish existed in this world? The third says, take a subject that matters to you and list ideas related to that subject. Take one of those ideas and write about it. The fourth says, observe something. Could be people doing something or something you observe in nature. And then start with the prompt, the thought I have about this is. And then lastly, your final option is read or listen to literature, then write. So the rest of the slideshow shows you examples that I wrote for each of the 5 options. There they are. They're color-coded. So again, you pick one option, you write a paragraph that's a response to it, and then you send that paragraph to me through Canvas. Here's how you do that again. So here's our assignment, journal entry 10/8, 10/9. It is due next Tuesday. There's a reminder of what you need to do in case you forgot or in case you're still working on it when you come here. And then to submit the assignment, you click Submit Assignment. Excuse me. And then you hit File Upload because you are going to upload a picture to me. You hit File Upload, then choose a file, and that'll open the files on your iPad. You find the correct screenshot and hit Submit Assignment, and then I'll have it. If you have any questions about this, please email me. I appreciate how hard you people are working. If there's anything I can do for you as your teacher, please let me know and reach out. Once again, this is Nick Collar. Have a good night.